Hey, what's happening everybody? This is Royce from Pedal and Metal. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to go over how to convert, or I should say retrofit, these VOLVO interior sockets to modern looking T10 LED bulbs. And I'll show you, I just got done 3 of them so far out of the 6 I need to do for my interior of my VOLVO. Actually I got 4 done out of the 6, and I kind of getting on a roll here. They do take a little bit of time to do, but I'll show you how I've been doing these. First we need to do is just go ahead and take apart. You want to take this white base or whatever color of your LED bulb the base is. You want to slide that off and set that aside or throw it away because you're not going to need it. And then I go ahead and just bend the wires down like so. And now what we need to do is we need to get the incandescent bulb out of the blue sockets here. And the best ways I found is using a really small, I don't know what size these are, but they're pretty darn small, little needle nose pliers. And I get in underneath this metal tab with one tong, and then the other tong, I don't know if that's the correct lingo, but going underneath here, and then I just push, and then you want to lift that up as so. So those tabs are lifted up above and no longer down in here. Now what is a struggle is to get this bulb out. It's really pressed in, and then the metal wires are kind of like stuck in the bottom of these metal tabs. The other thing I found kind of nice, you might be able to use an ice pick or something like that. I was kind of taking this little scratch awl and kind of getting it in the hole here, and then kind of pushing up on the base of the bulb. It worked on the last one. Now it probably won't work, but you just want to watch if you get any crumbs from the glass. You just got to be careful. These are pretty much junk when you're done with them, the bulbs themselves. Came right out, but what I want to show you, here it comes. Alright, so when you get that out, these are pretty much scrap. And like I said, if you get any of these glass crumbs, just be careful. You don't want to leave them on the floor or anything that someone could step on with bare feet. You want to get this, usually they come out without the tabs falling off, so you want to get that, you want to salvage this tab. The bulb is pretty much junk, throw that in the garbage. So you want to put this tab back in the side of the socket. I think I have it upside down. So you want to slide that back in, but not the whole way down. You want to have some room. And what we're going to do next here is take the new LED bulb and just kind of press it in there. It'll fit pretty nice. And I will put the Amazon link for the bulb set that I got. It was really cheap too, and you get 20, I think it was 20 bulbs, or I don't know how many was in there. It was a lot, and I didn't need that many anyway, but that's okay. It was a good deal. So once you have the wires sticking straight out, you want to take your needle nose pliers, or if you have little fingers, you might be all right. You want to kind of wrap that wire around that tab. And then you want to take a pair of snips, watch your eyes, and recover that wire as well so someone doesn't step on it. I know in my office here I'm always stepping on pieces of stuff that ends up embedded in my foot. So then you just want to push that back down. You're halfway done, and now I go to the other side, wrap the wire around. It's pretty fun actually. It's actually, first I thought this was going to be a drag, but I got on a roll here, and it was maybe half hour or so, and I got almost all of them done. Just want to wrap it around maybe 1.5, 2 times or whatever you feel you want to, depending on how long your wire is or whatever. And then push that back down into the base. So that's like so. And that's it. I did have a 9-volt battery sitting here that I was checking each one of these just to make sure that they work. Obviously don't panic if you go like that and it doesn't work. It's just the polarity. Just flip it around and then you should be good to go. But I was doing that just out of curiosity of the brightness and all that, but I think this will work out really nice for my project car that I'm working on. There's 5. Now I've just got to do 6. So hopefully it helps somebody out there who's was interested in wanting to convert these from incandescent. You can buy the black, these bases. I've seen them where you can plug and play pushing these in, but I don't think they're not inexpensive by any means. And if you're wealthy, I guess, or whatever, you want to do that, you can then plug and play everything. But this isn't that. It's not that hard, and you can do the whole, change the whole look of your interior probably for under $20. It's pretty impressive. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Sorry it's not diecast related, but if you like this type of video, give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe, and I will have more Volvo videos coming. And of course, I still do my diecast videos. So thanks for watching. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. All right, bye now.